Silver Springs State Park in Florida, and we are still with our friends Bruce and Karen and Phil, and we met them here. We are going to go on a glass bottom boat tour. It's a half-hour boat ride, crystal clear water, glass bottom boat. I've kind of always wanted to do this.
Yeah, we've kayaked here before, but the boat's not been...
Yeah, we've not done the boat before.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I'm going to see more underwater creatures. Okay, what did everyone think?
Awesome.
I think it was fun.
Depth
Yeah.
perception is just really different because it doesn't look that deep. When you said the 35 feet, it looks like it was just maybe
Right there.
10.
I was thinking I could
You know,
dive down.
the height of that cave was 12 feet. It didn't, I mean, it just didn't
Yeah.
look because the water was so clear.
Yeah. What I didn't know is that there are more than one Springs. I thought it was just Silver Springs and we were going to see one
Big,
Springs.
big spring.
Yeah, but you took us around, I don't know, 6 or 7 different springs.
Yeah.
And
Different depths.
Yeah, and it was cool to see the rocks being tossed by the water coming out. But I would definitely do that again, you know? It was fun.
How long has our boat captain been doing it? Did they guys say?
900 years.
Hello.
I honestly
60
only
some years.
62 years.
His cadence was just kind of you know.
And I only understood about every 5th word,
Oh, really?
so it was
Yeah.
hard for me, but I just enjoyed watching. And
Yeah.
we did see a manatee go underneath, and my camera wasn't on, but I quick turned it on, so I don't know if I caught that on camera or not.
Found an
but
alligator.
we did see an alligator.
For
Yeah.
me, I kept thinking, imagine you do that every half hour and you say the same thing every half hour
yeah, right?
for 60 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I would recommend it. It's a 30-minute tour. It's pretty inexpensive. You don't have to plan ahead for it, which was great for us.
I bet in the
so-
busy season you have to book in advance.
Maybe, yeah, that could be. We're on the hunt for monkeys. You didn't bring any snacks, did ya? Can't feed them.
No snack.
But maybe we'll see them. Well, no monkeys. We tried to call them in too. Oh yeah, we got our own monkey right here. All right, I guess we'll catch you down the road. Carry on.